Hey everyone, today we're going to look at the Casetego crystal clear or clear back wallet case. And here is the name right there, Casetego Galaxy Note 9 black, and this is the crystal clear case on the back, and then it's a wallet case in the front. And I've been trying to look for cases like this, especially because if I have a skin, or even if without the skin, with your midnight blue Note 9 color, or even the lavender one, they're nice looking phones, and you don't want to hide the look of it, you know, sometimes by putting it in the case that just covers up the look, right? And that's the beauty of the clear cases that I have, like this Rinky Fusion right here. Let's put the Rinky Fusion aside right there for a minute. But like I said, with the Rinky Fusion, it doesn't have a kickstand. I love the look of this Z2 top right here. I love the look of this with the extra bumpers on the corners. I don't know if this is military A10G certified. This doesn't have this Casetego does not have the military A10G certification. The Spigens and the Rinkys do. Here's the Spigen. And I was telling you guys how this has been my go-to or daily driver just because of that kickstand. It comes in really handy for watching videos without having to try to prop it up against something. And so wallet case actually do the same thing, and they add extra protection to your screen. And with the wallet case, how does this open? It also protects your screen. So let's just put these other cases aside real quick. Comes in this plastic Ziploc bag is this card. It says please contact us immediately if you have any problems, blah blah blah. Join Casetego after sale customer team, email Casetego. And what you get a lifetime warranty, trial of new products, amazing after sale service. So that's pretty good. So let's take a look at the case itself. Here it is, and like I said, this is black on the front here. I don't know if this is leather. Let me smell it. I don't know. It's kind of smells like leather, but it could be vinyl because it wasn't that expensive. It's only $8.99 or $9.99, something like that. And so here it is. See, it's clear. I don't know how durable this is going to be in the long run, but here you can put this pocket, you can put your credit cards, or a few credit cards, maybe even some, you know, dollar bills or something like that, and then that's it. This is supposed to, oh man, I thought this, most of the clear cases I've had, or the wallet cases I have, they also doubled as a kickstand. I don't know if this is going to double as a kickstand. Let's try it out. We're going to put the phone inside of the case. I think that's the best way to do this, so let's just do that. Okay, so here it is. But man, oh yeah, you can use it as a kickstand, like probably like that. You can use it as a kickstand or a prop, or not. I thought you could. Maybe like that. Maybe. I don't know how that would be in smooth surface though. So I'm gonna have to test that out. Okay, actually this right here is a smooth surface. So yeah. On the smoother surface, that's not going to prop up. Yeah, it's not going to prop up on a smoother surface. Man, I thought that would be good for as a little kickstand. Okay, so that is not going to work. I thought I saw it being used as a little kickstand. So this is just a flip cover right here. and it's supposed to have magnets to keep it in from opening, but I don't see it. Okay, so it's a nice looking case. I thought it would be my next favorite, and as you can see right here, it is crystal clear from the back except for this black portion right here. Most of those other ones, they like this part right here is a little bit wider or a little bit more so you can prop up your phone, but this does not look like you can use the case as a kickstand. That sucks. I thought you could. Oh well. Okay, so right here, let's go on with the rest of this look. You have this, it looks like extra. Yeah, there's a little bit of extra lip right here around the top and bottom to protect the screen, but hey, you got that to protect the screen if you have it closed, right? But if it opens up, you'll still be able to protect it with this extra lip on the top and bottom. Okay, right here is these holes, just like on the Rinky, to put in a lanyard, although this one did not come with a lanyard. And right here on the bottom is our headphone jack. It looks like it's lined up. We're gonna have to test that out. The USB-C microphone, speaker, S Pen. Can we take out the S Pen? Yes, we can. No problems, no issues with the S Pen. There is extra lip around the camera lens, as you can see, but not as much as on the other cases, because this is without this front flap right here for your credit cards or your dollars. This is probably the thinnest case out of all the cases that I have. And with this added, it's still, with the front flap added, it still doesn't add too much thickness. So right here is the power button, and it is slightly raised over the sides of the case, so you can feel the power button. So the power button is easy to press. The only thing is right here, Bixby and volume. How am I going to get to Bixby and volume right here? There is none. So that's going to be a knock on it. The only way you can get to the volume buttons is if you open it up, and now you have the volume buttons and the Bixby button right there. I wish it would have had some kind of like holes. So, and with the buttons coming through, this had like a little hole for those volume rockers and the Bixby button. Not that I really need the Bixby button. I wish Samsung would just allow you to remap the Bixby button for other uses. So Bixby is easy, as you can see. It activates. Volume is good. Volume rocker is good. Let's see. Fingerprint sensor. Yes. Fingerprint sensor works. But man, I can't use it as a prop. That sucks. I'm gonna make this work. I will. Okay, so what else let's test out the ports here on the bottom. Okay, starting with USB-C. Here is the fat USB-C to USB converter, and that works. Probably because this case is so thin, it's gonna work. Okay, here's one way, go the other way. It works either way. Here's our Samsung USB-C cord, and that works. Okay. Here's AKG's headphone cord. That works. And here's my biodynamic with the fatter headphone cord. That works. Okay, so here we are where my wireless charger is at, and here is the Casetego. Let's check out and see if it's wireless compatible, wireless charging compatible. Remember, blue is ready to charge, green means it's charging. And there you go. And no, Bixby, I did not ask for you, so it is good to go. There you go. Fast wireless charging. Let's put it on the side. Landscape mode. And that works too in landscape, as you can see. So both landscape and portrait mode is good for this case. Let's compare the thickness once again with these cases. Here's the Spigen Ultra Hybrid. Here is the Rinky. And as you can see, this Casetego does not really add too much extra thickness, as you can see. So even with this front cover, it doesn't add extra thickness. I don't know, it says it's magnetized for this, but it doesn't feel like it. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. I mean, it's a lifetime warranty. It does protect the front cover. But yeah. So that's like a screen protector right there. And let me put some cards in. Let me see. Will they fit? I have to put them in one at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is really maxing it out, but so I got all 4 cards in there, and there you go. But now look. Now you add extra thickness to it. See? So yeah, you might just want to put 1 or 2 cards, maybe your driver's license or something like that, and 1 or 2 cards, or yeah. But here's my driver's license. Yeah, so a credit card and some change, and there you. It really doesn't add too much thickness right there, as you can see. So that is it. This is the Casetego Black with the crystal clear back, and you can get it on Amazon with Prime free 2-day shipping for, I think it's $9, something like that. But I will put a link in the description if you guys are interested in this case. So that is it, everybody. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your patience. Take care, and we'll see you soon for another video. Have a great day.